This is about wedding and what? It's the wedding.
Yeah, it's about both.
You guys are going to make a video of it?
Thank you.
In the troupe that I was working with a theatre troupe called Motley. And that's where we met for the first time. And then we kept meeting over the years, known each other for a long time in that sense. Yeah.
So, what was the first thing you thought of when you first saw them? What made you know that she was your Zin?
My Zane? I don't know, it happened over time. It was not that I first saw her and we were madly in love, and it was not like that. The friendship developed over years and knowing and understanding each other and all that. So it's not a blood to the head kind of a marriage that's happening.
Oh, beyond my expectation, to be precise. I'm very happy with how it's turning out. I'm so happy and so fortunate to have people like everybody who put this together, this day together, to have a flawless day. And I'm thankful to my team. I'm thankful to people of my who supported, shown so much love, and of course India. The whole of India has shown so much love when they heard about our news.
It's such a beautiful thing to see two people of two different cultural backgrounds come together and find more votes. Yeah, that's it. Congratulations to you.
They have come all the way from Delhi, from Mumbai for this event. So I really appreciate their courage, their bravery. It's like we are going to a war zone. Will you go to a war zone for somebody's marriage? For somebody's marriage, will you go to a war zone? Manipur is a war zone now because of the conflict. But they have the courage to come down here in Manipur and fulfill my brother-in-law and Lynn's marriage, Randip and Lynn's Laishram marriage. They've come down all the way from Delhi, from Haryana, from Australia, from New York, and from Mumbai. So don't they deserve a big hand for them, please? This is my sister, cousin sister. In fact, this is my Ishen. In Manipuri, this is my Ishen. She's confusing me. Anyway, please have a good time, enjoy the dinner, and have a lovely evening. Ima Manipurna!
Jai Fare!
Ima Manipurna!
Jai Fare!
Ima Manipurna!
Jai Fare!
Thank you.
Thank you so much to Brother Manikanta. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed to the cake cutting, but I would like to invite the parents, the loved one, the families to please come up on the stage, join us on the stage and bless the newly wedded couple, ladies and gentlemen. The parents, the families, please join us on the stage. Bless the newly wedded couple.